really for any of you guys that are watching right now, commentary will begin here shortly. I will start commentary, I believe, around 8:45 to 9-ish. So if you guys are watching, please stay till then. We can go ahead and trade together. Good morning, everybody. Got my watch list up and done. Watch list is the most boring part. Let me know if you guys are still in chat or if you just have it in the background. We got 5 people watching right now. You guys can give us a thumbs up. That would be awesome. Oh shit, I gotta mute that. Let's go ahead and send out the watch list to the Discord, and then we're also going to label our support and resistance. So. Watch list. Hopefully you guys can't hear my keyboard. You guys might be able to. It's probably really annoying. I'll try to type softer. All right. So let's go ahead and go through our watch list and label our support and resistance. Again, ONCS. ONCS did gap up significantly. ONCS is currently at hold on, excuse me guys. Where is that? Gaps up is at 350. So why are you crooked? Sorry, I'm also going live on TikTok. There we go. So we're at 350 chilling. That means we're above the 20 EMA now. We have a doji candle, and a potential double bottom. So this could be a rise to the upside. We do have some resistance at 365. Let's go ahead and take a peek at our actual flexible grid. Again, wow, we pulled up all the way. Again, we said that we have some resistance at 366. And there's some support there. If we can, honestly, we have a double bottom above the 90 minute. You could take this all the way up to VWAP. We look for a little pullback, and then that's a potential 8% return there. Even more, you could still potentially. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. Yeah, you guys can hear me. Okay. So we'll have to see what happens here, and really, if we're gonna be able to. I'm not really gonna take this trade yet because again, still pre-market. I'm still trying to get everything up and going. Again, I haven't even done all of my pre-market shit yet. But all right, so we got the swing high. So last time we gapped up significantly. We shot up and then gave it all back. So that's what we have to be. That's what we have to watch out for this time around. We have to really look out for that particular. And look at that, gapped up at 265, around 260, 266, 265. I wouldn't be surprised if we came up to maybe even $3 before giving it all back. That is something that we have to really watch out for. Again, we have a doji candle gapped up, gave it all back. So it's all about personal preference and getting in and out quickly. All right, so this is not much of a. I'll move this at below 190. So I got that watch list. Hey, how you doing? Secret sex blore. Oh, scary. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and label these. And it gapped up significantly, filled that gap, and now we're chilling at around 1240. We're still nothing crazy. Yesterday, I don't think we gapped up significantly, but we did hold a lot of our profits. I wonder what kind of a. Oh yeah, sorry, I got dyslexia. Yo, I do actually have dyslexia, so that's that's funny. That is funny. Sorry about that, man. Oh, I don't even know why I'm labeling up there. That's not gonna come up there. You know what? I'm gonna make it extension on the left too. I'm gonna go save as default because like I'm tired of drawing it over like that. Fuck me, dude. Oh man. We got some support there, and we got some resistance there, and then we also got 13.5. So again, guys, it looks like I have a lot of support and resistance, but look, from here to here, that's 9%. From here to here, that's 13%. So there's still plenty of room to catch all of these moves. So fuck. So we got some at 2065, filled this gap, and 2024. Also got some at 22. And then if we pull back just a little bit, so there's that. I don't really like that, the motion or the yeah, if you guys want to see my screen and my scanners, go ahead and pop over to the YouTube. Links in my bio. Hey, thank you for the gift. Yeah, but if you guys want to see my screen, I'm practicing for the small account challenge. So I'm doing a very, very small size. I believe in this account I only have $400. So if you want to trade with me, yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm not a big fan of BDR. Let's go ahead and take a peek at why it's moving now. Here we go. Stocks moving. Here we go. I don't believe you guys can see. Yeah, okay, you can. Oh, wrong way. Okay, I can't click on it. Blundered shares of trading higher. The company announces the release of forgiveness. Oh, yeah, we don't like this because it was forgiven. Like, this company's just not like me. It's me. I mean, it did gap up. It's gapped up. Oh, I can just look down here. 17%, 18%. So I mean, this is definitely on the bottom of the watch list for now. If you guys want to see my screen and trade with me, go to the YouTube live there. Live on YouTube. So let's go ahead and really just take a peek at what we're really looking for here. Again, ONCS looks pretty good. ONCS looks very good. It's a little choppy, so let's go ahead and jump to the 5-minute chart to see if that's a little bit cleaner. And it is. We're still in this trend to the downside. If we can actually hold this low and make a higher low, and then break above the 90 EMA, this would be one of my favorite strategies, actually. Again, so let's go ahead and let me show you guys one of my favorite strategies. So when we're looking, I usually want the stock to, or it's gonna pull back. We make a lower or a higher low, and then the 90 EMA is kind of pulling back with it. 20 EMA is 2. I like it when the stock kind of forms in there, and then there's a doji candle, and it rides this 90 EMA through this 20 EMA, and that's when I like getting in. And usually I like to play it back to VWAP. This is a lot of the entries that I like for the VWAP reversal play. So let's go ahead and take. Oh, I don't want to. That's my watch list yet. Let's go ahead and take a look at. If you guys have any questions or want me to look at any stocks, just let me know. We have DY or DMYQ. Okay, so gapped up. Yeah, gapped up. Nothing crazy. It highs of around 7%, and then now it's chilling at 1% for gapping up. Nothing's crazy. I mean, we're chilling at 994, so we are above this 20 EMA on the daily. Nothing really crazy. I don't really know the news. Let's see if there's any news out for it. Human Technology Group Special Purpose Acquisition Company said Wednesday it will labs and space modeling. See, there's nothing like really that sticks out to me on this stock. Like, it's not gapped up significantly. It doesn't really have significant news. So I'm just not really gonna do much with it. So there is news that let me see if let me look. I might have missed it. I kind of just skimmed it. Yep, there is. Satellite startup Planet Labs to combine with SPAC. Okay. Planet Labs. Okay, so there is a good amount of good amount of stuff here. Let's go ahead and look at what's the float? Float not applicable. Okay. So, I'm going to keep this on a watch list. It's going to be one of my back burner plays. Since there is, it seems like, good amount of news, I didn't really read the news. I just saw it was merging with somebody and it produced a lot of cash flow. I'm going to actually keep this on watch. But all right. Again, there's not much really. 5-minute chart, it is looking pretty good. If we hold this, let's go and jump back to the 1-minute chart to see if it made a low on the 1 minute. It's holding. 90 EMA is below the 20 EMA, which is not good, but not a big deal. Maybe possible head and shoulders pattern, looking to come down maybe back to 222, or maybe even 225. We'll see. See, sometimes Thinkorswim doesn't let me zoom, which I absolutely hate it. I hate it so much. Nothing crazy is really popping out with me. We really just got to sit on our hands and wait until more traders jump into this. Again, I'm practicing for the small account challenge, getting this going. So I'm not going to take trades unless they give me a potential to gain 10%. That's my rule. 8 to 10%. That's my first price target is 8 to 10% away. So you have to find stocks that have really low float. You have to find stocks that are moving. All the traders are watching, and that doesn't come every single day. So we really just have to sit on our hands and understand that with the small account challenge, plus I only have 3 day trades in this account because again, I'm practicing. So even if I don't see it every single day, I can only make 3 day trades every week, and that setup doesn't show up every day. So it actually works in our favor. Yesterday, actually, I made a really good trade on. I believe it's SQBG. Yesterday, that was a fucking banger trade. Do we still have my profits? We do not. But I got in at 17.11 and sold at 24.20. I got in because this was a hype stock, and if we go ahead and take a peek at yesterday's, what we can actually see is that was yesterday. What we see is that we pop up and then pull back before running up again, kind of consolidate and then running up. It's almost like an ABC pattern. We can't see, but it's like it moves up, pulls back, and then continues higher. I also did a fib retracement, and it did pull back to the same level that it did on this. Pulled back to, again, that around 61.8. Got in. Again, this was a small account, so I only took 10 shares here. 10 shares, but I did get like $7 a share, or like close to, over $7 a share. So that was amazing. And that was just a really, really good day trade. And again, you're not gonna be able to land that every single time. You just can't. 40% every trade is just not possible. If you think it's possible to do it every single time, then it's just something you don't want to. I'm not going to try to recreate that. I'm going to try to recreate maybe 10%. There's a lot more 10% moves than there are. Yeah, nothing really crazy. We got 8 people on the stream. Awesome, guys. Thank you guys so much. That's cool. Let's listen to some Brown Eyed Girl. I don't think the stream on YouTube can hear it, but people on TikTok can definitely hear it. If you guys want to look at anything, let me know. Let's actually go ahead and take a peek at my stocks. Let's go ahead and look at Neo. I've been in a running. Hey. Good. I mean, I got in at 39. I got 100 shares at 39, which is cool. Knew we were gonna pull back. Whoa, what? You have an inverted hammer, but I don't like take these inverted. The wick's not super long. We do have decreasing volume. Our size somewhat. There, maybe we might consolidate sideways for a little bit. This could be an ABC pattern. Go ahead and look. And the Fibonacci pulled back to that 61.8. So maybe we'll consolidate in between these for maybe just a little bit, so the RSI can come down just a little bit more before we continue to go higher. And that's something that we have to really watch out for. Oh, sorry guys. Let me take a peek at them now. So we're looking at AMC. AMC doesn't look good. We did yesterday. We closed below the, I think that's the 20 EMA. Yeah, the 20 EMA. Which is, so our next support is at around $40, and then we also have a gap to fill at 31.74. If you want to see my screen, head over to YouTube. But AMC's not looking good. And then we also have XELA. Actually, someone in my Discord, they were talking about XELA. And I was like, it might be a good swing. He thinks it's going to see a big move from $4 to $6. Like, potentially. We're chilling above. We did break below and find support on, when was this? This was at 7:30, 7:45. When did I send out? 7:30. Okay. Again, I alerted it. The level might come down to 30. I might potentially hop in this play. Well, I'm at 4:32. But again, this was a very good. Again, we have the first pullback, second pullback, and it looks like we are getting a little bottom heavy. So XLE is actually one that you need to keep on watch. Right now, VWAP, if you get a good entry, is around 10% away. So let's actually add this to our watch list of XELA, because XELA is a good one that we should watch. Let's go ahead and take a peek if there's any news. XELA Technology says recently announced at the market equity program raised $85 million of proceeds. Annual debt target annual debt service reduction of $25 million. Okay, so they got some good like news, and if there's any, same with you guys on YouTube. If you guys want me to look at any stocks, let me know. So actually, I'm gonna go ahead and move these down just a little bit because I want to get a little bit more room on my charts. Hope that doesn't bother you guys. Oh well, fuck it. Oh. Let's go ahead and play. Do you guys like country music? I love country music. Ready to make some money. Guys, again, this ADXS. Sitting at around 60 cents. I'm not a really big fan of this low of stock. Gapped up significantly yesterday. We did give a lot of it back though, so we didn't really gap up. I think we're just barely up on the day. Yeah, we're just up like 1 or 2%. So I'm glad that we're holding that. We found support around 55 or 53. Again, we also found support right on that 200 SMA. So if we can actually continue to rise, maybe that would be nice. Again, day traders don't know what's going to happen every single time. They have a better understanding of what's going to happen around key levels. So again, guys, like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on my watch list. 2 backburner plays, and then so I'm really watching these pretty tight. I'm actually going to move this XELA up above the DMYQ because I really don't like the price action of DMYQ. It's just not looking good. Gapped up and then gave everything back. So we'll have to really see what's going on with it. I mean, not really too sure. So again, this might be a good entry. We did make a new low, but we're kind of getting heavy on the bottom side. So this is one of my favorite strategies. I was explaining this earlier on the YouTube. You kind of come up, you consolidate within in the 9 and 20 EMA, and then that's when you explode back to the VWAP. So you'd be able to get in probably around, we'll say 355. That's 6% that you're looking for. And honestly, you could easily come up to 390, even more. Again, we have that all. I didn't really take a peek. I don't remember what news there was. Critical trial. So this is something that could easily come up way more because it had cancer research in their news article. So this is one that I'm actually going to be watching right now. Away from all of my sins. I could. I mean, I could if I see a good setup here, I might go in with around. Again, this is my small account challenge. Last one, LOSAT. I will look at those in a sec. Give me about. Oh, this is the 5-minute candle. So we do have decreasing volume. I'm actually looking for that doji candle and almost a reversal before I actually get into this. So I can take a peek at those real quick. Last one. Oh, hey, no, not last one. Just send them out. And if I have time, I'll definitely look at them. I like helping you guys. I like giving you guys some value. Popped up significantly. Biggest moves. There's nothing. I don't really see much on TD Ameritrade. Again, we are gapping down now, and if we break 783, 782, we are right now. We're gonna probably come down to 750, maybe even 725. Again, so there's one that we have to keep an eye. OSAT. We have JMIA. It's really choppy. I mean, we're running up. We are below the 20 and 50 SMA. And the 200 SMA is above the 50 SMA, which is not good. So I would not get in on this play yet and just wait. What was I going to go in on? I was going to go in on... Shit. Oh, here it is. Ah! It's all good. We have increasing volume. The setup didn't really work out that good. I mean, so again, I'm not going to... I missed the trade. I didn't miss it yet because it's still on my watch list, and if we could actually pull back with decreasing volume, looking for that ABC move, because we just made a higher low. Now we're looking for a pullback down in the 9 EMA, and once we pull back down in the 9 EMA, I could potentially get into this trade. That's what I'm really going to look for. There's the move. There's the move. There's a potential like 22, 30, maybe 30 cents in this trade. If I can get in good, I'm risking around like 7 cents. Not even. If I can get in good, I'm risking ideally we want to get in around 552. We need it to come down around 6 cents before I want to get in the trade. If you guys want to see my trading, then go ahead and hit the link in the bio, go to the YouTube, and you can see my whole screen. I'm doing small account challenge, guys, so I'm doing really, really small size. show you guys that it's profitable. And I'm looking at ONCS right now. ONCS. The float is 15 million, so it's not crazy, but it's also not bad. Let's jump back to the 1 minute. Let's really look what's happening. Again, we're having a nice pullback. Again, I want to pull back down to that $53 level. I can't talk. Excuse me, guys. Again, my first price target is going to be VWAP. First price target is going to be VWAP, and we're going to continue to pull back. BBIG. Choppy to day trade. Well, I don't know why it was gapping up significantly yesterday. Not gap up. It ran up 14% yesterday. The chart looks like we had a nice pullback. We could potentially fill this gap down towards 340. That might be something we have to fill. We do have a doji candle yesterday, so we really don't know what's going to happen. So yeah. Again, guys, right now the top ones that I want to watch is ONCS. ONCS is the top one I want to watch. I do expect us to have a bigger pullback. Again, we just made a new low on the 1 minute chart. I'm going to go ahead and actually move this to the 5 minute chart. Where's... Again, on the 5 minute chart, I want it to pull back. I want it to pull back to around 353. 353, there's the pullback. Try to get in. Try to get in with 75. 75 didn't really get filled. It's all good. I'm risking the 45. So nothing crazy. We're dumping. It's all good. I want it. If I can get in, that would be a better price. We do have increasing volume, so I'm going to actually wait for that to kind of settle down. Didn't make a new low here. Did not make a new low. It's all good. Dumping. It's all good. We didn't make a new low from that previous. As long as we hold this level, it's all good. It's all good. All good. Glad I did not get filled there. I'm glad. But again, it's see, like, stuff like that's just not super predictable. And again, that's why you always have to have high or really close stop losses, or know where to put your stop losses. Because if I would have got in there, let's say I would have gotten around 553. Okay, I'm risking 2%. I'm risking 9 cents, 7 cents. So I wanted 353 down to 340. So around 8 cents. Just 8 cents. Nothing crazy, not too bad. But my potential was potentially 23 cents to even 30 cents. So my risk to reward is pretty good. And as long as we keep making a higher high, I mean, I might consider this into another trade. Okay, on the 1 minute chart, if we make a new high here on the 1 minute chart, I might definitely get into this trade. Yep, there's the move. Come on, baby. There's a lot of buyers. If we take out the buyers at 52, then we're going to come down even lower. Not looking good, but we don't really know what we're going to do. I'm going to take this. I'm going to take a 3-bar play. Upwards of... All right. We're above now. Holding it. Holding the 20 email. Could have been a false breakout. I do still think we have a good potential here to continue to the upside. If we go ahead and zoom out here, look, it just looks like it's getting heavy to the downside. Looks like we need to have a reversal. It's kind of forming a cup here. But again, look, it just keeps dumping. Keeps dumping. It's all good, though. Because that just builds us better. Because we're going to be able to get in a better price. Because we know it's going to come back to VWAP sometime or another. We just got to catch that move. So, look, we got a nice bullish pennant. That's not like the best setup, but that's what could have happened. And it just absolutely dumped, so. And I think ONCS is a good ONCS at today's volume today. There's not much at volume today. I don't know what the relative volume is. Can you do Microsoft? I can. I don't. There it is. Yeah, it's fucking just going, dude. It's just going. Oh, it just hit a trend line too. And a doji candle yesterday. Get out of Microsoft. Get out of Microsoft. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Double top. Microsoft's coming down today. Coming down. And Microsoft is going to come down. It might be a good time to get Microsoft puts. I could see Microsoft coming down to potentially 678. Might be a very good time to get some Microsoft calls or puts. Sorry. I think we could potentially come down to actually 670 or 270. Maybe even farther. I think that's a very, very good possibility. On the daily chart, we did form a doji candle. This is a double top. Microsoft looks like it's going to come down within the next few days. I do expect this is around a $10 move. Let's go ahead and take a peek at some options because this might be actually a very, very good chance to get in. Buy puts. We think it's gonna come down to like 270. We'll do August 13th. We'll give it a month. It's around $400 right now, but the delta is 33. So you'll make around. Go ahead and do. Oh, these are in the money. Okay. If you did 42. You know what, we're gonna do we're gonna do around if you run to get into that, I would do a 270 put. Hold on guys. Cause you could potentially gain. Right now the delta's $33 for every dollar. But you could buy more. That's potentially $300. I think you could do this. Could be a very, very good opportunity. Oh shit! Let's go back to. No, dude. Did I miss it? Oh, perfect. Okay. As long as we hold this, as long as we hold 346, if we take out the seller, if we take out the buyer at 347, take out the buyer at 347, we're coming down. Take out the buyer at 347, we're coming down. So, guys, Microsoft might be a good swing trade for some options. So, again, this was a lot. Again, with that one trade that I was talking about, if you've been on the line for a while, I was trying to catch the move back to VWAP. A lot of the times, traders will try to get in to this one trade. They'll try to catch it, move back to VWAP, and sometimes they get stopped out. That's why I have really Thank me then, LOL, for Microsoft. I'm not a financial advisor though, but would I keep my Microsoft? No. So. You did some puts? Nice. I hope Microsoft does the best for you. Like, yeah, like it's just not looking good. I mean, we've just been an uptrend, and it could even come down to even lower lows than that. I think it could easily come down to way lower than that. It could also come down to 262, maybe even 252. It could very well come down. It could easily also come down. I think it'll come down to around maybe 250 and find a bottom. I think that's a good price target for it. That's around $25 drop. If you got some puts, that would be pretty good. So good for you, man. Again, it's risky. It's risky. It's risky. It's risky. It's risky. We have decreasing volume. Excuse me, guys. We can make a higher high or keep making these higher lows. Then we're technically still in an uptrend. Guys, I'm still trying to catch this move to VWAP. I'm still trying to. This is the potential gain. Like, I'm trying to get 25 cents here. If I can get it at a good price, then I'm only risking 4 cents. I'm risking 4 cents. I'm risking like a percent to gain 7 or more. So this is a 7-to-1 profit loss ratio. So this is very, very good. Very good. Let's go ahead and sift through other stocks to look for it. Again, Dare looks good too. Dare looks really good. Pull back to that 50% level. Maybe even we pull back to that 20 EMA. We might continue to go higher here. But I'm not going to. We might actually could look for the break the downtrend. Again, DTST looks very much like Dare. I don't like OPNT. OPNT is just kind of fallen. So, you know, I'm actually going to delete this from our watch list. Got BDR. BDR. Nice head and shoulder pattern. We're kind of consolidating. Not far enough away from VWAP for me to actually get in. XE. XELA. Looking for it to come down just a little bit more. If we can come down to around 240, 230, that would be a good entry for me. And then that DMYQ, nothing crazy, nothing crazy. DSTS, I do have that. DTST. Yes. I have that on my watch list. It looks like, I mean, I'm not going to trade it right now. I'm not gonna, I mean, we haven't really had a significant pullback. We've just been going up. So we're really going to go back to ONCS. I think that this could still be a good trade. Go to the 1-minute chart and look. If you guys, again, if you guys want to see what I'm doing, go over to YouTube. I think you guys will enjoy it. I think you guys will really enjoy it. Free streams. If I can even zoom in here, that's kind of annoying. On a 1-minute chart, we made a higher low. So actually, I'm looking for, with decreasing volume, I'm looking for a pop above that 350. If we can close above 350, then that would be good on the 1-minute chart. And let's go ahead and take a peek at the 5-minute chart. That 350, we want it to actually pop up, but no, it got rejected. We got CLNV. Oh no, too small for me. See if there's news. I don't know. I didn't feel like reading it just because it's way too small for me. It's when it's small like this, it's extremely choppy, and so I'll stay away from those. Especially when you're doing a small account challenge. So again, right now the top stop to watch is ONCS. Looking for we have more seller or buyers. So, but let's go ahead and show all sizes. Yeah, here we go. Hey, someone give me a thumbs up on YouTube. Thank you guys. If you're still watching, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That'd be awesome. Again, there's not much going on. It's very slow. If we take out the it's a 266. If we take out the buyer at 236, the seller at where are we at right now? Okay, never mind. God damn, I can't think right now. Again, there's not really a crazy setup. I mean, maybe like a continue the upside, but I don't like this. There's not much really for me to catch. DTST, same thing. BDR still not super far away from the VWAP. We'll make a higher low. This is potential 8% here. 8%. That's what we're looking for. XELA. This is also if we can come down to the 30. I might potentially hop in this play. I'm gonna edit this to around 36, 37. So again, because I think that we can potentially, if we come down, if we get this at 38, that's 13%. So XELA is on high watch. ONCS is also on very, very high watch. We did hold this level. If we break above this and hold in between this 90 EMA, I could potentially get in here at 351 and only risk like 4% or 4 cents, with the potential to gain 24 cents. That's a 6-to-1 profit loss ratio. That's, in my book, perfect. 6-to-1, perfect, especially for a small account challenge. You're not going to win them all, so you got to make the ones that do go in your favor count. So, damn, we got 7 people watching on the live stream on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, we're looking at ONCS. If you just tuned in, I am practicing for our small account challenge, so I only have around $400 in this trading account. With decreasing volume, that's what we're talking about. This is exactly what we're looking for. Again, I'm looking for the move up to VWAP. This is what we want to see. Let's go ahead and move over to the 1-minute chart to see what's going on. Again, we're above the 90 EMA. Again, if we break this, we're kind of building up. We want to continue if we break that, we're going to continue. We have nothing really crazy on the NASDAQ level 2. So let's go back to the 5-minute chart here. Come on, baby. Let's go. Decreasing volume. You might have another one. We have around 2.5 minutes left on this candle. So if you guys want some coin style merch, this is sick. Go to the link in bio and use code StockTalk for 10% off. How long have I been trading for? So I've been trading for the past 2 years, but I've really actually started day trading for the past 6 months. But since I had such a very good background, I knew a lot of stuff before I jumped into day trading. And then when I started day trading, I dropped college, dropped everything, and spent hundreds of hours, if not thousands of hours, studying the market, studying everything, getting my knowledge. So I was able to become profitable within 6 months of actually studying day trading. That comes with flashcards. There's still more over here. That comes with a business plan that I made for my strategies, what to look for, how to execute them. Like, do you do swing trades? I do not. Swing trading is harder than day trading. Think about it. Day trading, you're in and out. You can manage your risk. Overnight, swing trading, you can't. What if a press release comes out about the company? You're screwed. And I have like hundreds of more papers over there on my other desk about trading, learning. And I also have one, like I've read around 6 to 7 books on trading, and I have a couple more that I have. So I've done a fuck ton of research on this, and that's why I've been able to become profitable in such a short amount of time. Do you trade options? I do not. Sometimes I actually do. Microsoft actually looks very good. Oh, by the way, guys, that stock, that trade that I was looking at, it got rejected and didn't go in our favor, or it didn't have this. The setup didn't play out. Microsoft, I think that's this. Yeah. Microsoft looks like it could potentially come down. Want to see what I'm seeing? Go ahead and go to the YouTube, and you'll see the chart. And I think you could do some puts on Microsoft. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm thinking you have the potential, I believe, to gain around $25, or a potential for it to fall around $25 down to $250. And puts, if you find puts are at around 270, the delta's at around 300 or 0.33 times 50. So every single option that you get, no, it's 25 times 33. Every single option that you pick up could potentially give you $824, $25 if it pulls back to 250. And again, that's not compounding. Every single time it goes down or gets closer to your strike price or continues to go deeper in the money, the delta goes up. So you're going to make more money and more money and more money every single dollar it falls as it's getting closer and closer and deeper in the money. So that's what you got to look for. And we have increasing volume on the, we didn't really move. So I do expect Microsoft to continue to come down. I'm actually going to go ahead and try to call one of my buddies because he wants to see if he wants to catch on this play. Yo, what's up, my man?
So cool.
So you're live. I'm live on TikTok and I'm live on YouTube, but I figured I would go ahead and share this play with you if you wanted to catch a play. So go ahead and look at Microsoft on the daily chart. Yeah, well, I can also share my screen to you if you want.
Yeah, sure.
So do you see it?
Yeah.
So Microsoft's been absolutely running lately. We're in this channel, but we just broke out with a doji candle. RSI is oversold or overbought. We just bounced off the trend line on for Microsoft. I don't know why that's had the high of 279. So again, I think we could pull up. We're overextended from the 90 EMA with the doji candle, which could indicate a reversal. So you might be able to buy some puts on this. And I believe if it could potentially come down all the way down to $250 and bounce off the bottom of the trend line. And you're gaining $25 there. And I already picked out an option with a 33 delta. That would give you around $825 a contract. The contracts are around $300 or $400. Wow. If it comes down to 252, but it was I think it was the 270 put. So
you're not scared of that being like...
No, because look, there's no structure.
Yeah. Yes, you're right.
Let's go, if we go into the max too, like this is the highest it's ever been. We're gonna have a fall here soon. I mean, we also have a gap. Look, it gapped up and we didn't fill it right there. So even if it does come down like to here, that's still, you're still gaining or potentially like $6, and that's with $33 delta. That's $200 a contract. That's 50%.
What contract did you buy?
I haven't bought any. I was just letting you know. I'm not buying it because I don't want to throw. Right now I don't have money in, or I'm doing a small account challenge, so I've really stopped touching my bigger account. and bigger account, I really can't do options and get the right options. But again, I was going to do the 270 put for maybe a month or two out.
Month or two out.
Yeah, but again, I'm also not a swing trader. I was just letting you know what this is like, but
Yeah, bet. Thank you.
the RSI is high. The RSI is at 77. I think it'd be a good opportunity.
Do you think it takes like a month or 2 months to?
I would get one maybe a month and a half out, just in case, because then the theta will be pretty light.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you're doing, all right, man. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm sorry.
I said that's interesting. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. If you want to stay up with the stream or whatever, I'm live on YouTube, so just it's in the Discord. So, anyways,
Cool.
all right, peace.
All right, later, man.
All right, so let us know when you buy and sell. I will have to pre-trip my bus, but we'll continue listening. Okay, I will buy and I will let you guys know. I mean, but I'm not really much of an alerter. I'll tell you what I'm looking at and what I really want to see, but I really won't see much. I mean, we might have a potential head and shoulders pattern formation. Woo! We see a good one. I'm actually looking to get in here with decreasing volume. We have a doji. I would make a new low, so I would be able to, if I got in right now, I would be risking 3 cents. I would be risking 3 cents if I could get in right now. I'm actually looking for the move back up to VWAP. I think this is very, very possible. This is going to absolutely run. I'm going to get in at 345. I'm gonna have a limit for I get around. I'm gonna get around 80 shares. That's what I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna get in with around 80 shares for the small account. We're looking at ONCS. ONCS. I'm looking for, as long as we don't break 40. We don't break 40. It's all good. I might continue to. It might drop a little bit more to maybe around 37 or even 34. If this happens, I'm gonna take this long. Looking back up to VWAP with that RSI being oversold, we'll have to see what happens right at market open. We have 9 minutes left until market. I am looking for a crazy move. This had very, very good news about cancer. So this is one stock that I'm watching heavily. Let's go ahead and take a peek what it did yesterday. It didn't really do much yesterday, so. And guys, this is something that you have to like crazy. I mean, again, this could potentially be a, I'm going to potentially look for my goal for the day is to make around maybe like $30 or so with the small account challenge. That would be ideal, honestly. Keep it nice base hits until I can build up that capital. Can you show it? It's on. Go to YouTube and you can see my screen. Go to YouTube, you can see my screen. Links in the bio. It's free. And if you guys want to, or people who are watching on TikTok or on YouTube, please hit that like button because it helps out the YouTube algorithm. Plus, if you like the stream, why not like it? Why not go ahead and like it? So. Anyways, there's a dump. Looking for the RSI to be oversold here. Might come down even a little bit lower, down to around 230. If we can come down to 330, this is a very good potential to buy here. Looking for a potential 50-cent move here. If I can get a 50-cent move here, that's 40 cents. I'm looking for around 50 cents up to 85. If we can get up to 85, that would be amazing. We didn't make a new low. Again, it looks like we are losing steam. Like downtrend, but I don't think we'll break it much here. Again, we want to continue to come down. Let's go ahead and look back at XELA. XELA. I said I was going to think about getting in around somewhere around the 61.8 fib level, but that didn't happen. So if we continue to dump here, this might be a good entry point because again the VWAP isn't too. I mean that's 13%. So if we can actually get in on this trade, that would be awesome. What's the name of it again? StockTalkTrades, no spaces. That's, the YouTube. The ticker is ONCS. Again, guys, this I'm a day trader. I have no idea what the hell is going to happen on this stock. I'm like around 70 to 80% win rate. So like 70 to 80% of the time that this is going to go in my favor. But I don't know when it's going to go in my favor. I have no idea. So I don't know if this is going to be a losing trade. I don't know if this is going to be a profitable trade. So that's why I don't like sending alerts. Because it's not really... It's not like anything can happen. That's the thing. Like without proper stop losses, without proper entries, it's really gonna fuck with your account. So again, guys, right at market open, I'm looking to go up, break up with I'm trying to catch a 50-cent move here. Ideally, what if we can catch $1 move? $1 move would be fucking crazy. If I can catch $1 move, I would be absolutely stoked. ONCS. Go ahead and take a peek here. Yeah, I'm just looking at the news, just making sure. An attack on cancer cells. So I do believe that we are going to have this is going to be a good day for ONCS. Connection, okay, perfect. OBS connection okay, good. Again, guys, this is something that we got to watch really, really closely. I'm expecting it to come down just a little bit more. Somewhere it's going to hold on one of these levels here. One of these levels. I bet you if we do a Fibonacci retracement from this to here, that look, what do you know? It's right in the OTE zone. I believe that whoa, there is the run up, I guess. Fuck us, right? We wanted to get into it, but it's all good. We still have decreasing volume. I do expect it to potentially continue to come down. And when it comes down, that's when I'm gonna get in. Again, I don't like placing limit orders because what if it just continues to dump? But I also don't like that's where it's hard because if I place a market order, then the slippage could be fucking stupid. If the slippage could just be like 10 cents or so, and that would absolutely dick me down. So why would I want to do that? So you got to wait for a good entry. Got to make sure the slippage isn't bad. And then, yeah, so we got a lot of people buying. No one's really winning on the spread. Slippage of 2 cents, which is not crazy. Again, guys, right now we're currently 30 cents away from our price target. I think if we can get 30 cents, that would be absolutely amazing. But again, I'm looking for more of like a 50-cent move. I'm looking more for a potential like maybe to $4. That would be another price target that I have for it. And it depends how that would be 60 cents. That would be around 60 cents. So we'll get $48 out of that. I'd be able to get $48 out of that. That would be crazy. $48 would be plenty. That would be good. This is great for base hits, for trading, for the small account challenge, especially $46. If I was able to get that, that would be 11% of my account in a day. If we can get this, that would be a very, very good trade, and I would love to be able to hit that. Yesterday I made 40%. Again, I showed the trade earlier in the stream. Again, we're gonna have to see really what happens. I mean, yeah. See, I don't know what TD Ameritrade just sucks like that sometimes. It pisses me off. because like sometimes like a stock will be moving, I'm trying to zoom in, and then you know nothing happens, and I'm like, okay, cool, my guy. We have 1 minute left. 1 minute left. I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get some. Actually, you know what? Let's get some new Kid Leroy, unreleased Kid Leroy going. What stocks are you watching today? So I'm gonna say them really quick, but if you want it, it's in my Discord for free. ONCS XELA DARE DTST BR BDR DMYQ. So all of those are I have them listed for free in my Discord. You want those? Let's see it. Made a new low here, so we really don't. Now we don't know what's gonna happen here. Even though I knew I never could, no need to change. Good as you, what did you say? I need you to stay. Getting drunk, wasted. If it comes down even more, I'm looking for a move down to. This is sitting at around 3. Oh wow. Around this sitting around 320. Oh, here we go. Slippage isn't bad. Oh shit. Slippage is not too bad. I'm waiting for a little bit, giving it time. I want it to pop down just a little bit before we actually go to VWAP. I want it to pop down. We look like we're having problems here. I'm gonna go move my size up to a little bit to really only pay attention to the bigger sell. What's your favorite play today? I don't really have a play. It kind of comes second by second. Again, guys. I could have got in, but you know it wasn't a good setup. We are popping up. We could still potentially get this going up to VWAP. I am looking for that pullback, slight pullback. Let's go and look at EXLA. EXLA is coming down. Could be a nice move. This is 2 that we have to keep on really high watch. That's 11% away. 11% away right now. Looking for that. Again, these are 2 stocks that we have to watch very, very. Nothing else looks crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and delete DMY off my watch list. Again, thing I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even though you knew I never could. Again, guys. Again, we're popping up, but I am looking for that. Move. Like we're on the 5-minute chart. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Nothing crazy. And like, you know, it's a shame because it didn't really give us a good entry point. I didn't really see a very, very good entry that I wanted to take. And if it's all good though. It's all good. Even same thing I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even though you. Can you choose check out Wish? I can check out Wish in a sec. Give me a little bit so I can really just look at. Oh. No. Actually, this might be a good play to go. Maybe a new high a day, 10% potentially here. XELA. I'm gonna wait a little bit, so I can see what's gonna happen with the volume and really see what's going on with the price action. I don't just want to hop in this and blindly and catch a fallen edge. So around, see, yeah, if I caught in there, looking for maybe move down to 218. If we come down to 218, I'm definitely going to get in. And also, it really depends. We are a little bit oversold. Looking for the move back to, that's right now, VWAP's 30 cents away. 30 cents away is a good number. I'm going to go ahead and delete this Fibonacci retracements because I don't think we need it anymore. Then my next price target after VWAP would be around 274. 274 would be a good price target for XELA. Again, guys, yes, it popped up significantly. But did we see a good entry point? No, we did not. So why would we jump in this play? I did not see a good entry point. So I'm not going to risk my money, especially for a small count challenge, especially for that. See, this is what, like, sometimes I can't zoom in and it really pisses me off. And it's literally going to make me switch trading platforms sometimes. It's stupid. Again, I really could have got in there because that was a good. I didn't see that support and resistance. That's my bad, but that would have been a very, very good entry. But again, I'm also waiting for the RSI to come down a little bit more. Look back on my mind. Come on, baby. Got in yesterday at EXLA at 190. Hey, good for you, my man. You're sitting pretty right now. Again, guys, yes, it did go up to our, but again, this is not what we wanted to see. It just kind of popped up and then died. It's not, there's not much momentum here. Like, there could be on the 1 minute chart back up to VWAP, and we could actually try to get maybe see this, if maybe make a new low. Honestly, this could be a good play. This could be a very good play. See, I don't want to hop in now. Don't want to hop in. I'm not too. Again, I could have risked 0.5%. If I can get in at like 150, that would be ideal. I'm getting the small count challenge. Small count challenge. If I get filled, it's all good. I'm only risking at 45. So there, I'm filled. I'm filled. If we make a new low, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out at 46. 46. I'm getting out. 47, I believe. 45, I mean. Looking for the move up to VWAP. Do have decreasing volume, which is good. I want to catch this move to the upside. 46. I think I'm about to get stopped out here. It's all good. If it doesn't go in my favor. Yep, stopped out. It's all good. Nothing crazy. Again, only lost 3.38%. Or no, not percent. $3.38. Totally fine. I'm totally fine with losing that right now. Again, now I got to make this next trade really count. Again, see how I kept my stop loss very, very tight on that trade. Go ahead and look at my potential profit. My stop loss is right here. I got in, I believe, at 50, I believe. So I had the potential gain 15%, but I only risked like 5. I only risked 5 cents. So that was a 31 profit loss ratio. So I'm happy with that. Again, guys, I only have nothing really crazy here. I don't want to really catch this move. I'm not a big fan of it. And you can see we have a nice ABC pattern here. This could be another. You could catch this move to the upside. And this is what I was talking. But again, that's 4%. Like, yes, 4% is a good amount. That'll bring me in the green for today. But I wasn't able to get a good entry. And this is the move that I was looking for. This was the exact move that I was looking for to the upside. But it's all good, all good. Let's go ahead and sift through our stocks again. Look. Again, you could potentially come back to view it. We'll have to see what happens here. BDR, nothing crazy. Again, these are the top stocks I'm watching. Yay! That's exactly. I could have let it breathe a little bit, but it's all good, all good. See how it dumped straight back? I don't know if you would have been able to get filled there. I could have risked around 7 cents. But again, if I risked 7 cents, that wouldn't have enough price target. So, you know what? Again, we're going to continue to pull up here. It's probably going to come up to our other price target of, if it comes up to our other price target of $4, that's something that we very well could have captured. But you know, it's in the past. You can't dwell on the past. Now I'm looking for that. Go ahead and check again, pulling back to that 61.8 zone. Now, if we look like we have some support, that could be good. I mean, we might have support at 37. Let's go ahead and zoom in here and see a little bit more. If we come back to 37, this might be a good. See that 78.6 is also at 37. So if we can make a higher low, that would be good. Again, we're also going to have to wait for it to come down, and then if it pops above the moving averages, that's when we're going to want to hop in on this play. Thoughts on CLOV? I'm not too sure. Don't really got any. I'm a day trader. My stocks change every single day. See, this is the move that we were looking for. This is the exact move that we were looking for. I could have got in, but again, if I let it breathe just a little bit, we would be up 30 cents, up around 10% so far. And I could have caught that move, but it's all good, all good. And that's where it comes down to execution. My execution just wasn't on point. It could have got it, but it didn't. So it's in the past. Not a big deal. Again, we did break it. As long as we hold this, make a double bottom here, we could potentially continue to rise up to VWAP. But we might not make a double bottom. We might continue to come down. We have a new low. If we make a new low at 232, 232 would be a new low here. We made a new low with increasing volume. Looking for that doji, or looking for the really oversold RSI. And let's go look around. Let's look at around 26 maybe. Oh shit, it's 0.33. No, 218. We have some at 225. So if we actually pull back to 225, I might take this long. Again, guys, that was what we wanted to see. That is exactly what we wanted to see. Too bad I couldn't have caught that. I could have again, I was looking for the entry. I tried to time the market. Again, I can't I can't zoom in. This is stupid. And this would have been a crazy move. This would have been a crazy move. I got in at 350. We would have got over 40 cents a share. 40 cents a share. I definitely it's unfortunate, but it's all good. It's unfortunate. How high do you think it'll get? I'm not too sure. We'll have to see. We're about to sell off, I think, for a little bit. I'm not too sure now where it's gonna go. I knew it was gonna pull up, but I just didn't know how high. Guys, it's all good. That's unfortunate. I mean, I could have let it breathe. Honestly, what I should have done is, since I got in at 50, I had a price target of around 40 cents, 50 cents. If I would have written, and plus, it's just unfortunate. Sorry. Oh well. You know what? I'm gonna take a little breather and wait for the continuation to go Apple. Okay, never mind. We might actually continue to go downward on this because we do have decreasing volume. So I want to actually hold support and then come back to VWAP. As long as we don't make a new high, I think we might have just made a new high. It's, I want it to come back to VWAP. But I also want it to pull back just a little bit more for me to get into this. From like, we'll say from 2, that's 30 cents right there. That's 30 cents. But again, I have a double bottom, looking for that doji candle. With ooh, baby. You guys can't hear my music. Sorry about that if you just hear me singing. Let's play some music. Let's see. Oh, that's why. Okay. Whoops. Oh well. Oh, oh shit. I also should have gotten the chat rooms open. I should have popped it out. That's my bad. I didn't have any chat rooms open for Alpha Day Trading. If you're from Alpha Day Trading, sorry if I can't see. I don't think there's really as. Like putting orders for these Microsoft puts, hoping they'll fill up market. Sorry, man. I well, didn't have alpha, but I do have alpha chat room open now, so that's what we're going to look at. Again, guys, I wanted to catch this move to the upside, but it just didn't work out for me. Had my stop way too close. If I had it literally 5 cents lower, but it's all good. It's all good. Could have the potential to continue to go up here. We could go up to 14, 16. That's like 8%. It's around 32 bucks. So honestly, with decreasing volume, well, I'm gonna see what happens here. If we consolidate for a little bit more, I might get into this play. And we made a new low, but we have decreasing volume. I am looking for the move back up to VWAP here. Guys, it's 6.8%. What is this one with the potential to be? Again, I can't zoom in. I'm gonna. Like, this is terrible. Oh, 8. Oh, risk around 10 cents. Risk around 10 cents. So again, I probably missed my entry because I couldn't zoom in time. But it's, you know, it's all good. 30 cents, risk 10 cents. It's a profit loss of shit. Now it works. Looking for the move. Honestly, you know, I missed my entry, so I'm not really gonna worry about it. But I did wanted to get in right above this new high of the doji candle. And look, see, like just like that, it reverses and goes down. That's why you don't chase it. It's exactly why you don't chase it, because I definitely would have taken profits after we break out. I would have taken some off the table. But let's go and look at Microsoft. And popped up, continued, it came down. Looking for it to continue to come down here for probably, like, Microsoft just looks like a good trade, like swing trade to the downside, honestly. Like, it's overextended with the doji candle. Looking for it, we just broke VWAP. Looking for it to continue to come down. If we go ahead and take a peek at some Fibonacci retracements from here to here, we're about to enter the OTE zone around 61.8 through 78.6. I'm gonna go ahead and mark this. I got in at 350. My stop was at 345, so I can do a trade review later. Again, I had that price target earlier in the day. Like, that was a fucking amazing price target that I had for it. Popped it perfectly. But too bad it didn't really go in our favor, or it did go in our favor. I could have moved my stop just a little bit, but it's all good. All good. Again, we could still potentially go to VWAP here. Keep making newer lows, so that's not the best. Go and sift through the rest of our stocks. Again, there looks like we're gonna continue. If we can come down to maybe around, we can come down to around $2, I might consider this going long. So this is also one that we got to keep on high watch. Of probably in around 2-3. That would be a potential 14% gain. And DTST Again, we have first pullbacks, looking for the next retest of 11.73. I'm really not going to get in this play until maybe around $11, maybe even lower. And then we could potentially get $1 a move or more, maybe even more. So we'll see. We'll have to see what happens here. So we'll definitely see. Nothing crazy. I'm going to go ahead and delete this from the watch list. Yes, it could be like a bull flag almost, but nothing crazy. And we have a couple doji candles with very small volume that I'm looking for it to continue to come down here now. Popping up is in between 90 EMA, but got that long wick, so I'm not really too sure how I'm going to play this, so I'm not going to enter it, not going to force it. Dare looks like it's coming back and pulling back, but again, I want it to come back to around that 210. I want to catch potential 30 cents here. If it comes down to maybe 205, I want to go back to VWAP. I want to get at least 10% here. Dare's coming down here, so that's one that we got to watch. Same with DTST. Nothing crazy, but guys, nothing really on ONCS. Lost around, I lost 0.5 or like 1%, less than 1%. So it's all good. And I'm totally fine with keeping my losses. I'm basically break even. I'm down 0.8% today. I'm down with keeping it. And then look, there was the bull flag. There's a move back to VWAP. Looking for it. You could still potentially get in here, but it doesn't have enough profit margin for me. This is still around 6%, but I don't want to take the trade. It's not an A+ setup. Again, guys, we have to make the best of our 3-day trades every week if we have a small account challenge. Looking for the move. We did break below 210. Looking for it to come down a little bit more, 209. Again, if we can come down around 207, I might catch this VWAP trade. Again, the RSI might be a little bit oversold here. I'm going to have to wait, maybe even 207. Maybe I want to see it become a little heavy on the downside. Like, there was the first pull down, the second pull back. Now we're kind of like, it's not as straight and not as direct. So if we can actually continue to see it kind of maybe consolidate, maybe kind of start rounding off, we might be able to see this back up to VWAP and potentially see higher highs. So let's go. Come on. Continue to come down. We want the RSI to be oversold. We want the volume to sell off a little bit more. We want it to come back to VWAP. DARE is the top stock I'm watching right now. Looking forward to it might not hold it. A lot of buyers. If we take out the buyers at 206, we're going to continue to come down here. If we take out the buying at 206, we're coming down even more. If we take out the buying at 206, I'm looking for it to come down to $2. Looking for it to come down to $2. If it's again, we still have a lot of buying, but if we take them out at 206, we're going to continue to come down here. We're going to take them all out. We're trying to. 206. Come on. I know you want to continue to Just sit here and just sit on that level. But I know you also want to take out that buyer at 206. I know you want to continue to come down. Again, we have a small, again, it's not having much momentum. It's red, green, red, green, red, green. It's still in the downtrend, but again, there's not a good buying opportunity right now. Again, I'm trying to catch this move back to VWAP and potentially even above VWAP. Might even be at like 244. If we can get to 244, that would be awesome. We also have some at like 240, so that's also going to be, I think I'm going to do 240 if it does come up to, it's going to be a price target that I have for it, so. Again, from where it is right now, that price target is around 15% away. 15% away. That would be an amazing trade. ONCS high. Oh, yeah, right. I'm not too sure, man. I'm not too sure. If I can get a good entry, my price target's gonna be around 240 for ONCS or for this is DARE. Again, ONCS is back up off that bull flag, going to continue to go up. We could have a double top here, looking for the actual break of the downside, but there's the top one to watch. There's the top one to watch again. This could be in a nice move up to VWAP. DTST is a good move up to VWAP. I don't think it gives me enough. It's only 4%, but if you want 4%, you can continue to go up here. I would take these trades, but in the small count challenge, I'm only going to take the best setups. The best setups are going to give me around, like this setup right now. It could potentially give me 15% or more. Or less, you never know. You have to watch the price action. ONCS just went above 4. ONCS. Oh yeah, it did pop up. False breakout to the downside. Or false breakout to the upside. If we can continue to, yeah, we're dumping now. Dumping now. We'll just see what happens. And there's one I'm watching. I know it wants to, has some support at 06. I guess I'm gonna. I know it wants to continue to come down. With that RSI coming down even lower, that would help us out. So if we break 206, I'm gonna get in somewhere in here. We have a lot of sellers. We just took them out at 205. How's the volume looking? Nothing crazy. I mean, we might continue to come down here at 205. A lot more buyers at 205. If we take the person out 205, we're coming down even lower. Yeah, we have increasing volume. Looking forward to come down even more. That's exactly what we want. That's what we want to see. Increasing volume too. Now we really don't know what's going to happen. There's almost about even, but we'll see. We'll see. And if this closes with the long wick, no, it didn't. I'm waiting for. We'll see what this candle has to do. But honestly, if it breaks a new high, potentially give us that's 10% to VWAP and then 15%. Okay. Sticks we have really low volume, So I should add Microsoft too. I think it's that, yeah. Come on, I know you want to continue coming down. Doji candle would be good. That could signal a reversal here. I kind of want to get in here at 207, 207. We take out the seller at 207, 206. I'm actually getting here at 108. I'm filled. New low a day is going to be my stop. Looking for the move back up to VWAP. 208. I chased that just a little bit. It's all good though. It's all good. I tried to time it. I should have let a little. I rushed it just a little bit and chased it. That was me just because I missed the other one, ONCS. So it's all good right now. I think this has good potential here. Kind of rounding out. I'm looking forward to make new high here. If it makes new high here, we're going to be golden. You have increasing volume, which is, I mean, looking forward to come back to VWAP here. I should have waited a little bit, but let me see your setup. If you want to see my screen, you can see my screen on YouTube. But if you want to see my setup, couple music, chat rooms, trading, and then scanners and live stream. Okay, guys. Yep, that's what we want. We're up. We're up. Only 1 cent though. 1 cent. That's what we're talking about, baby. Oh shit. Let's go, yes sir. So if I'm actually just entered a trade on DARE. So oh, not good. It just kind of dumped down. You know, got rejected by the 9 EMA, which is not looking good, and made a new low. There's a lot of sellers. We don't really know what's going to happen here. I think I might get stopped out. If I get stopped out, it's all good. I might be done for the day because I'm getting somewhat fresh. I can tell that my emotions are taking advantage just a little bit of me. Cluck noise. I don't know what you mean. There, I got filled. Down $6 on that trade for the small account challenge. Not bad at all. Kept my losses to a minimum. And then the other trade, I took a loss of around 338, so around 970. I'm down around 2% today. Nothing crazy. In the small account challenge, or in the small account that I'm working on, which is actually, it's not bad because I think I might call it a day on the small account because the first trade I wanted to make was a fucking banger. It was a winner, but I wasn't able to catch the move. I had my stop too low or too close. So again, and we have a decent ascending triangle on ONCS. If you want to catch that, and not really, this one doesn't give us a really good entry point. And guys, I think I'm out of day trades. I think I have another one generating tomorrow, the day after that. So we'll have to see what happens. Wish just dropped 4.2%. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and check out Wish for you now. Yeah, wow. Right on the 200 SMA. So you expect a pullback probably to potentially VWAP or the 20 SMA here soon. RSI is it's oversold, and that doesn't give us a good price. It's like only 30 cents away or so. So and EXLA, yeah, I think I'm done for the day. If you guys want me to do a lesson, I love it, man. The meme cluck noise, I'm a huge fan. Hey, thank you, man. If you guys if you want me to do a lesson, say something in. If you're in our membership group, go ahead and say something. If you want me to do a lesson on anything, if you're on YouTube, let me know what lessons you want me to do. And if you're on TikTok, if you want me to do a lesson, because I think I'm gonna call it for today. I think I could catch this move back to there now. I think it bounced right off. One again. They're zones. They're not actual price levels, but we did have some support here. So I believe now this is the move that we wanted to catch to VWAP. This is the move that we wanted to catch. RSI was oversold, and now if we go ahead and watch, we'll be able to see. I jumped it just a little bit. Didn't really get anything. I do believe that this is going to be the move to the upside, but too bad I don't have any other trades. See, on a bigger account, I would be profitable on the day. So if I was able, if this does go in my direction, because I would enter sometime here very, very soon to go to the upside. Big hearts to you too, man. Oh yeah. We'll see. We'll see. You know, yeah. So I'm still after a big win. I'm still happy with that. I'm still up crazy amount this week. I'm still up. Yeah, a very good amount. That's unfortunate. I should have waited for again, I jumped it just a little bit, jumped the trade just a little. FTMO challenge. Not too sure what you mean. FTMO. See, yeah, fuck, dude. I wanted to get this. Only if I didn't have my stop. I think I had my stop like 2 cents too high. Okay, should have let it breathe just a little bit more, but you know, in all fairness, that probably would have been my only trade for the day. Then we got on XELA. Then it really should give us a good opportunity to enter here. You could have entered right here, but I don't really like entering when we're below the moving averages like that. I think we're going to we have very, very light volume now. Very light volume. Very light volume. I do believe we are going to hold this level. If we don't, we're going to continue to push down. Yep. With increasing volume. Looking forward to actually come down a little bit more. You could get in this play sometime around 95. There's 95. We break 95. We could potentially come down to 91.90. And this would be a very good not really too sure what. Oh man, how do you feel about top trading? They give you like 100 to give you a passive challenge to trade, but if you get a 10% drawdown, they'll take your account from you. I'd probably be able to do it. What's the FTM top trading? Give you. Let me look. Let me FTMO. There is that. Yep, I have there up right now. Looking forward to bounce. RSI might have it did have a divergence, I guess. And we're just kind of going sideways. I don't like the way that this looks out. I like a boom, pull back, boom. I don't like the slow movement. Not what we like to see. And I wanted to. My first trade was this ONCS trade. I should have gave it a little bit more space. There, let's go ahead and take a peek at Microsoft. See what's happening. I mean, potential double top on the minute time frame. And I don't think that it just doesn't seem that we'll be able to sustain this for too long. We've just been going up, pulled out of the channel. I mean, whoa. So, Neo's not doing good. It's all good. Come on. See, this, it sucks. I can't load it like that. Again, guys, this could be a good trade. 14%, 15% back up to VWAP. I'm looking for VWAP to come back to when would you sell ONCS? I don't have any. I don't have any right now. I would get ready. I would get close to selling it around now. I would probably sell it somewhere around like, yeah, again like now. I mean, it's up pretty extended. Like we're in the second move to the upside. It might continue to go up, but it could also continue to go down. So if you're up, I would lock in some profits. But will AMC or will it go back up? I think you should sell AMC. I looked at that earlier today. Yep, and if you're in my live, I said that AMC was going to come down. Yeah, it dropped. I mean, 12%, kind of. So we do got to fill this gap maybe at 32, maybe 33. I think AMC will continue to come down, but I'm not a financial advisor, so I don't know. Oh, and you can keep 80% of the profit. Oh. And you said it's FTMO, testimonials trading, partners, contact, valuation process. No challenge is the first step of it. You need to succeed here. Advance into the verifications. Prove your trading skills and discipline in observing the trading objective. And you receive 70% of your profits. If you consistently generate profits on your FTM account, we can scale your account according to. Honestly, that might be something cool to do. Again, guys, I think that we'll be able to see a good move from there back up to VWAP. It looks like we have some momentum now from the buyers. As I say that, it gets rejected off the 9 EMA. So, what do you mean? Question mark? Question mark? Question mark? FTMO. So, thank you. Make great. It will make good YouTube videos and TikTok videos. So actually, normal won't risk. FPO challenge day 30 maximum daily loss. Oh, 1,000. That's easy. Maximum loss target. Fundable 3 step 2 verification. Me. So, fuck it. Should we buy Dare now? I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, but I say if it makes a new high, if it makes a new swing high at $2.01, I think you could see it pop up to VWAP. If it buys at $2.01, I think you could see it come up to VWAP. You could take and it's kind of slowly moving down, but you might be able to catch it. I would get on it now. It's at 199 if you're looking for it. That's a potential, again, 12%. $2, $2, $2. If we take out the seller at $2, we're coming up to 201. Take a D-A-R-E, D-A-R-E, D-A-R-E. That's what we're looking at right now. I want to continue to pop up. We want it to make a new high here. We want it to make a new high. Okay, guys, I'm done. I'm done trading for the day. Done trading for the day. Music, damn loud. Don't stop heading south. Born from your mouth. You trade Forex. I do not trade Forex. See, it did not make a new high. It did not make a new high of $2.01. And it hasn't made a new low of the previous candle on the minute chart. So anything can happen still. Oh man. I still think if we make a new high of 20 or 201, we can continue to pop up the VWAP. You know, I should have stopped trading after this first trade on ONCS. That's unfortunate, but again, it's all good. Oh, Josh was saying something. Oh, do we got the member? Oh, not yet, not yet. Oh, is that up and go? It's not. Not yet. And what is going on here? Those notifications sent by admins, exclusive subscribers, messages. Knocking boots. Yeah, hey Josh, if you're listening, that the new chat room looks very good with the polls, the members, the tickets almost, admin chat, like everything. It looks very good. Because if you go back to Dare, still hasn't made a new high. Oh, it did make a new high. Got rejected. I don't know if you got filled or not, but ideally we have this seems like a good reversal. I mean, now I think you can play it back up the view up. AMC, what's happening? It's tanking. AMC is not good. It's AMC. What can you expect? And guys, so far I'm down down like 2.5% right now on the day. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Yesterday, since I was up, I made a 40% trade on my small account, and I was up 20% on the whole day. So I'm still up this week over 15%, which is fucking amazing. Still up a lot. Like I was up 22 actually, 22. So I'm still up 19.5%, or even maybe 19. So I'm happy with that. If I can do that weekly, I can do that weekly, that'd be nice. And you can't nail them all. Today was going to be a fucking banger day. It should have been a banger day. Like, looking back at it now, why did I have my stop loss at that? I thought I got a little bit over cocky because at my other trade I did yesterday, I was able to catch that 41% move with a stop loss of less than 1%. I thought I was able to time the market every single time, but I wasn't able to. This time I wasn't able. And again, I got a little bit too cocky, and I should have took a step back and really analyzed, okay, I'm risking 5 cents here in order to gain almost 50. Yes, that's a 10-to-1 profit loss ratio. I could have risked a new low a day, and that's 4%. I don't like risking more than 4%. I don't like risking more than 3% or 2.5%. So I probably would have made it off these lows. And made it 3% around 10. It's still a 5-to-1 profit loss ratio, but it just didn't work out. Like, it's just, especially since now when we look at it, instead of increasing volume to the downside, but you know, there, looks like it's coming up. I hope you caught that. Whoever was Stacy Chancey Meggs. I hope you caught that. I mean, everything looks good now. Everything looks good. Got in at 208. Where was it? I think it was, yeah, got in at new low a day. Come back retesting. And this could just be like a head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder, and to the reversal up to VWAP. Again, guys, I'm going to let this play out, and then if no one has any lessons that they want me to do or any questions or anything, I think I'm going to actually call it a day on the live stream. The market's slowing down. There's nothing crazy. We wanted to catch that move right at the open for, you know, just something that's good trading. Now I have to really wait to get more day trades in this account. So, again, what you can do again, ONCS looks like it could be getting heavy on the upside and potential reversal. Maybe come down to 384. Oh, I do not trade Forex. I do not. Head and shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. Maybe continuation to the downside. Again, if you bought this could be a nice pennant almost for DARE. If you got in, it still might be a good chance to get in potentially. I mean, you can get in. What the fuck? Okay. You still have a potential 10% move here coming up. 10% move coming up. And guys, if I was able, wanted to catch this move again, while I was in this trade, I was telling you guys that I was also jumping the trade. I realized that, and I'm glad I realized that because I actually deserve to lose that. Honestly, that was my fault. I could have definitely made it. Yeah, I could have waited for another consolidation, and then actually we broke above this consolidation, and that's when I wanted to get in. That's when I told you guys to get in, and that's where it actually went to the upside. So I don't trade crypto. I invest in cryptocurrencies. Trading crypto is just it's too manipulated, and people just like to fuck with it. So again, the 90 EMA just crossed the 20 EMA. Looking for that potential to go to the upside. We do have increasing volume. I'm not really moving here. Again, I wanted to come back to VWAP. That's the goal. That's the goal. Take out the sellers at 207. We're pushing up higher. Take out the sellers at 207. We're pushing up higher. Taking out the sellers at 207. We're pushing higher. Let's go, baby. Let's go. 208. There's still more. How do you feel about Elon Musk? I love Elon Musk. The whales used him as a way to manipulate the market. Elon Musk doesn't have enough money to manipulate the market. And people, I think the whales were using him as an excuse to scare everybody out. You don't want to invest in crypto. Elon Musk could tweet and it's gone. Scare people out who don't want to on this, because this is going to make generational wealth for people. People are going to make generational wealth with cryptocurrencies. So why would the top 1% want retail investors to be wealthy? There's none. There's no reason. So it's all about you buying and holding, buying and holding, buying and holding. Hope you were able to get in on that trade at 201. Currently up 3%. That's a great trade so far. Again, if you want to take some profits off the table, it might be smart. But you can also let it ride. Down 2.5%. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. So. Today is Wednesday, correct? I don't have anything Wednesday. I got a TA and a trade review. Okay. And what did I miss? Where's Josh? Anyway, so Josh is actually, I think his server's messed up or his home Wi-Fi is messed up. So we're taking over. I'm taking over, just for the day right now. Nothing crazy is going on. We've just been looking at DARE, ONCS, and XELA. I think quantum computers will destroy crypto though. You think quantum computers? Well, quantum computers, they need to be in like freezing cold, like, don't they? Like, you're not going to be able to have a laptop and quantum computers. And it's not quantum computers like it's like the blockchain. Like quantum computers might have the computing power to mine Bitcoin really quick, but there's going to be, that's what mining pools, or that's where, not mining, but staking cryptocurrencies takes over, because it's not so much of a miner whoever has the most computing power. It's now about just a random, like, who's staking it, and it picks it from random to validate the next block. So I mean, yes, like quantum computers could start mining. Quantum hackers, man, lol. Hey, again, there's I don't know too much in that space. Again, I'm just saying what I'm knowledge, like what I know, and I'm always down to learn more. I don't even know what quantum hackers are. Yeah, so I mean, again, if you were able to, oh man. Yeah, Lance, if you need a lesson or anything, I'm down to do a lesson. Anybody on YouTube, if you guys want to shoot out a lesson, TikTok, if you guys want me to do a lesson, just let me know. It's unfortunate that I didn't catch this move, but you know. Excuse me. But it's all good. Again, still think DARE was coming up. It's not as volatile as I thought it was. DARE has a $45 million float, which is still, it's a medium float, but again, and it's what? It's almost 10:30. Usually it kind of dies out by now. And so we'll see. We will see. Yeah, and also Josh got killed by the fucking hurricane last night. He's telling me about it, how his house was just getting pummeled. So I don't know if like Wi-Fi or power or something, but how much battery do I got left? 19%. Again, if you're still on your Josh's gerbils didn't want to work today. Running. Yeah, no, Josh's gerbils did not want to run today. MRIN. Let's see it. Oh, this is a good potential. If we make a double bottom, you could come back to VWAP, but again, I don't have my support drawn for anything really below. $18.08. We'll see. There's so much here. Close at 17. Made a close at 1733. That might be good. What's the average CDM for producing trading content on YouTube? It's more of the trading is more of like a financial. It's in the financial niche, and honestly, I don't know what the clicks are, but I know that like around 1,000 clicks can range from like $20 to $60 per 1,000 views on YouTube. Again, I'm going on my YouTube. I'm about to cross 500 subscribers on there. But yeah, I think it's around 20 to $60 per 1,000 views. So you can, it's a lot. It's a good amount. Again, Dare came back, but it's all good. We made a higher low. So depends who bought in. I mean, this might be right in the OTE zone, so we'll have to see. Yep, pulled back right there, like to the penny. That means I do expect it to come up to VWAP now. Do expect it to come up to VWAP here soon. Nice. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. You know, guys, it's getting slow. I'm going to go ahead and call it a day on trading. Close down the streams. I'm down around 2.5% today, but it's all good because yesterday I made 40% on a trade at 22% on my whole account. So that was a very, very good trade. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.